We see the blizzard. Cool. Thank you.
This is Artemis Mission Control in Houston, Texas. The crew providing us some first-hand footage there using the internal cameras inside the Orion spacecraft. They were showing us a view of the moon out of one of the windows, and now they are showing a wastewater dump out of a different window.
Integrity, that was really cool. We are curious on the quantity of that. Was that the full bag that you're dumping, or is that a CCU?
That was a single CCU, well hydrated.
Very impressive. Good job. And Integrity crew, your email sync is